everybody and welcome to our today's video. Hope you're enjoying our word of the day series. Do let us know in the comment section below your valuable feedback and also any words that you would like us to cover. So today's word of the day is curtain. In French it is rideau. In Spanish it is cortina. In Italian it is tenda. In Portuguese, it is cortina. Thanks for watching our today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. And I will see you in my next series of the words next week. Bye.